Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk about the famous book of Hanafi jurisprudence, Al-Hidayah, and its author. The author's name is Burhanuddin Abul Hasan Ali bin Abi Bakr al-Farghani al-Marghinani. The author was born in Margilan, a famous city of Farghana province in Uzbekistan. Margilan is also called Murgenan. Uzbekistan is the second country surrounded by landlocked countries in the world. In the past, the region of Uzbekistan was the most important route between China and Europe. The area between the two main rivers, Amur River and Sai River, passing through it was called Mawra un-Nahr. As you read this name in books of history and biography. In the 7th century AD, the Arab nation raised the flag of Islam in this region. This area saw many ups and downs. Yes, remember that Amur River is also called Jehun River and the Sai River is also called Sehun River. As far as Al-Hidayah book is concerned, this book is the description of the book called Bidayatul Mubtadi, which was written by the author himself. The full name of this book is Bidayatul Mubtadi fil Furu'. In this book, the author has collected the problems of Jami' al-Saghir and Mukhtasar al-Quduri. The author uses the word al-Kitab for Jami' al-Saghir and the word al-Mukhtasar for al-Quduri. The author wrote two versions of the same text, Bidayatul Mubtadi, a detailed one called Kifayatul Muntahi and a short one called Al-Hidayah. The full name of this book is Alhidaya ila al-Bidayah. This book is unique in Hanafi jurisprudence. This book is a rare example of concise explanation. This book is very popular and famous for the matter of Hanafi jurisprudence in the Muslim Ummah from beginning till today. Because of its popularity, hundreds of commentaries have been written on it. In the year 1197 AD, this shining star of knowledge set forever. Goodbye.